Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are back with another braiding video. This time we have color 30, color 8, color 613 and color 27. So this is a nice combo. You do not want to miss this. So I'm just showing you the colors. They are so beautiful, and you know the drill. This is another braiding video, so as I usually say in my other videos, I'm not gonna show specifically how to braid the braids. Like, this is not really a tutorial because I do have many on my channel, but it's just like an Inspo video that you can look at. So this is how the hair looks once it's all mixed, and it's so beautiful. Like, I was just so shocked. Just comparing so you can see the difference. Put some edge control and just braid. I hope you enjoy these type of videos because as I said before, it's just like an Inspo videos, like video they can look at, and just so you can also see how the colors look if you mix them. This is how it looks on the hair. We were watching Cruella, which is actually so nice on Disney. I really recommend it. After I finished the hair, I trimmed it and put it in hot water. I also made sure I put the towel in boiling water and put water at the top of her hair to make sure that every flyaway or any flyaway was down. Then I put mousse and oil as well, and after that, this was the final result.